Benefits of Personal Loans, by Kim Smith, www.unsecuredloansource.com. When you are trapped in some financial problem and need some urgent cash, loans are the best options that will help you get rid of the financial crisis instantly. However, if you are worried about your bad credit history, you should stop worrying, because there are plenty of lenders who will not even look into your credit score or ask you to pledge any collateral. You can have your loan amount without any hassle of documents also. There are many people who live on their salaries, and when faced with financial problem they have to look for a loan option. Personal loans are available today without much hassles of documents and paperwork. If you are in need of urgent cash and look for lending companies on internet, you will see that most of them will claim to provide you the money within 24 hours of applying for the loan. You simply have to fill out a form where you have to give your personal and financial details along with your employment proof. Once your statements and documents are verified, your money will reach your bank account. This ease and convenience has also made many people get into a lot of debts, as they opt for loans for every other reason. Once they get into a lot of loans and find themselves trapped, they either file for bankruptcy or look for other options, feeling distressed. However, it is advisable that even if you have to opt for loans in any kind of situation, you should manage your finances first and then see whether you will be able to repay the loan comfortably or not. If the need has to be met urgently, you plan and let your family know that they will have to sacrifice few things in future if you attain the loan. If you will tell your family everything frankly, they will definitely support you and your views. When your need is small and requires small amount of money, you can opt for short-term loans. Keep in mind that these loans are available at high rate of interest, and you should be prepared for that. Find out all charges that are supposed to levy on your loan beforehand so that you know how much money you have to repay in order to get rid of the loans. This is very important, and before signing any document, you should be aware of the facts and figures. Have questions? Loan specialists are standing by. Call 866-493-1938 to speak to a loan specialist who will assist you.